Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a rectangle. Select this rectangle, go to Object and lock this rectangle. Now we need line segment tool, hold Shift and draw the line. Select this line, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line. For more copy, hold Ctrl and pressing 3. Select all lines and group it. Now you take rotate tool. Okay. Now you need reflect tool and copy. Select this line, ungroup it. Select those line and go to edit, copy and paste in front. Hold shift and rotate this. Now adjust this line, drop on the rectangle. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line. Now unlock this rectangle and select this rectangle and press delete for remove. Select all lines and take Shape Builder tool. Pick up the fill color, name the stroke color and draw your letters perfectly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.